Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Pearson Cosmetics channel. If you are new, like I said, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, love, love, love you. I have been busy making these absolutely adorable Christmas ornaments, Halloween style. I was getting a lot of requests on doing, oh, Lord Jesus, Mr. Jack Skellington, and we got a Sally down there somewhere. Oh, anyway, this video is not about these ornaments. We got some hocus pocus going on. It's all a bunch of hocus pocus. Yes, these are available on my website under here we go with that, not being able to speak already. Those are available under Fun Finds on my website at PearsonCosmetics.com if you happen to be a Jack Skellington fan or a Hocus Pocus fan. Okay, well, if you're new, hit that subscribe button, please. I am trying so hard to get to 200 subscribers so I can do a giveaway. Really nice giveaway. As promised in my previous video, I did say I was going to come out with a lip gloss, like a DIY lip gloss kit, which I have done. So I'm gonna walk you through everything that you're gonna be getting, in this awesome lip gloss kit. You gotta excuse this is what I got going on. Yes, girl, yes. Just working. Okay. To start off, you are going to be getting 5 of the 10 ml squeeze tubes. Yes, 5. You're going to be getting 5 organza bags, 1 for each squeeze tube if you'd like. It's great for like party favors or a baby shower or a birthday party, or even if you want to sell them. So each one is getting 5 organza bags, guys. 5. You are going to be getting a large syringe. It's a 60 ml syringe. It is a sterile syringe. It is still in its packaging. Okay? You are also getting 5 pipettes. Yes, 5. Because you're going to need pipettes to push that lip gloss into those tubes. And we don't want to use the same ones. Most importantly, you are going to be getting my pre-made lip gloss base. Yes, this is pre-made. Okay? You're not going to have to worry about buying coconut oil, buying grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, what else? It's literally sitting right there. And my special ingredient, which is up on here. Everything has been weighed out. All these pouches equal 3.2 ounces, which I have tested this. I've literally emptied. I've sacrificed 5 of my 10 ml squeeze tubes to make sure that you're getting. And I actually had a little extra. I wanted to put a little extra in there because I know, you know, we get the residue left on the bowl, on our spoons or spatulas. I like to use a spatula. It gets everything out. And then what gets left up in here, you know, so I wanted to make up for that. But it does fit 5 10 ml squeeze tubes or wand tubes. Either way, it's gonna fit 5. But I'm providing you with squeeze tubes, not wand tubes. Okay, all of the ingredients, including the lip gloss base, is printed on the label so you know what you're getting. If you have any questions or comments, my website is right there where you can find my email. So, okay. Now, alrighty. The fun part, guys. Actually, let me do the opposite. Let me get rid of all this stuff. Ooh. Told you these videos are raw. I don't edit. Nope. You're getting your lip flavors. I'm giving you 3 lip flavors, guys. This stuff has not been packaged yet, so. But, Lord. So we have mango lip flavor. I don't know why it says 24 drops, because I literally put 25. But I already printed them off, so I'm like, whatever. There's 25 drops in here. Might not look like it, but there are 25 drops in each bottle. So you're getting mango. You're getting berry. This is one of my favorites. I swear to God, it don't look like it, but it is. And you are getting cherry lip flavor. I'm giving you my best sellers, okay? And to make this even better, I am providing you with mica powders. Yes, mica powders. Each order is going to have, well, first of all, each order is going to have 1 of each of the lip flavors. So you're getting 3 lip flavors, okay, to choose from. Or you don't have to flavor it, you know, leave it plain. You're getting this gorgeous, look at that, Swiss chocolate mica powder. And these are all cosmetic grade. These are from TKB Trading. And the measurement is 1 pinch. 1 pinch looks like, okay. This is 1 pinch, which we know a little mica powder goes a long way. So each bag contains 1 pinch. But you're not just getting 1. There's a really gorgeous blush beige. This almost reminds me, it's not showing up on the camera, but it almost reminds me of a rose gold. And I like natural neutral colors. I thought that would be best for this DIY lip gloss kit. And you're not just getting 2. You're also getting rouge. Flambe red. This would go good with the cherry flavor. And each mica has a little bit of sparkle. Just pretty awesome. And you're not just getting 3. You're also getting, if I could find it, some ultra sparkle glitter. And I gave you a little more of the glitter, a dash. A dash is, there's a pinch. This is a dash. Okay. I'm so sorry it's not focusing. I got these spoons from TKB Trading. This is a beautiful, it's very ultra fine, ultra sparkle, holographic glitter. Ooh. So that's just gonna put, like, if you want to make it just a glitter gloss, you can. If you want to add the glitter in with your colors, you can. If you just want to have plain gloss, you can. It's totally up to you. And who says cherry has to be red? Make your cherry chocolate color. Who cares? Make your cherry blush beige mica. Either way, you're getting all of this, literally everything you need. Everything you need to make 5 squeeze tubes. And these you do need to sterilize. This will come with an instruction sheet, but usually I use hot water, very hot water, with a dash of dish soap I love Dawn, and a cap full of bleach, but you only have 5 here, so you don't need that much. I let them dry for a few days. You don't want any water introduced to these glosses. There are no preservatives added, and water can create bacteria. But there will be more on that on my how-to video. I will do a how to make lip gloss using PSC lip gloss DIY lip gloss kit. So stay on the lookout for that. That will be up on the website soon. Like I said, PearsonCosmetics.com. If you are not already subscribed, please subscribe. Turn on notifications to get notifications on all my DIYs, my new products that are coming out, you know, all the good stuff. I also have a Facebook page, same name, Pearson Cosmetics. There's only one. Go follow me there. Like the page. Especially if you purchase one of these, I definitely would love to see what you come up with. I would love your feedback. Like, yes. Instagram as well, Pearson Cosmetics. TikTok, Pearson Cosmetics. So, yeah. I'm lost for words. But as you know, I'm not good at videos. I've already told you this. So I think this is just the greatest. This would be so cute to give as a gift to a little one, because there's no mixing involved. There's no mixing involved. They don't need to have all these oils and other stuff that we have to put into this lip gloss base. It's already pre-made. And trust me when I say this lip gloss base is the balm. The secret ingredient that I add, which you'll find out once you purchase, it just helps your gloss, it helps the gloss just glide on. It gives it extra shine, and it gives it staying power, and it's just wonderful. Like, I'll go to bed with it on, and I'll wake up with it still on, and my lips are just so soft. And I pack these with vitamin E. That's the first ingredient that I put in my lip gloss base, is vitamin E. First thing, I use a ton of it with the grapeseed oil, which is already rich in vitamin E. So this is just, it's gonna be wonderful for your lips. You're gonna love it. So that's all for right now. I'm thinking I might try to do the video tomorrow on how to use the kit. It's self-explanatory. It will come with directions, like I said, but just in case, you know, there's people out there that don't know how to use it, and I can print out a little step-by-step instruction guide to go with the kit. So yeah, you're getting everything. And I keep saying the same thing over, but you are. I see DIY lip gloss kits out there that they provide you with, like, the tubes, a syringe, some pipettes, and I think that's it. Yeah, I don't even think they give you lip gloss base. And I've definitely not seen anybody do this with the flavors, the mica powders. No. So yes, turn on notifications. I will be announcing when this will be on my website. But if you would like to know sooner, go to pearsonscosmetics.com and sign up for emails. Sign up for the email subscription. I do send out emails before launching new products. But that is all I have to say. So everyone, enjoy your night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. And peace.